In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about congruent triangles. Now, we're going to be solving the following exercise. In the diagram, PQ is parallel to SR and QT is equal to TR equal to 2 centimeters. Show that triangle PQT is congruent to triangle SRT. Now let's take a closer look. At first, let's look at the given. QT equal to TR equal to 2 centimeters, as you can see here. So we have a pair of sides equal to each other. We also know that PQ is parallel to SR. In other words, this means that if these two are parallel, then we have the alternate interior angles QPT and TSR. Now let's write the given at first. These two sides are equal to each other. Going back here, we are talking about this angle right here and the angle PQT, since they are forming alternate interior angles, which means that they are equal to each other. So QPT is equal to TSR is equal to 50 degrees alternate angles. Now, for the final, we have this angle right here equal to this one since they are vertically opposite angles, QTP and STR. So we have this pair of angles equal to each other. Now let's write it. PTQ is equal to RTS, vertically opposite angles. Now that we have proven two angles and one side equal to each other, the two triangles PQT and SRT are congruent by angle side angle.